Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about my Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean rechargeable electric power toothbrush. I have not regretted this purchase. It is the best toothbrush I've ever had. I absolutely know that my dentist is going to be so happy, and I really think you will be too.
I love how it looks on my counter. It really doesn't take up too much room, and it comes with a charger that I keep plugged in at all times, so I love that feature. Being able to customize my experience is also great. I can choose between 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care. I also love that there's 3 different intensity modes, so you can slowly increase that as you're getting used to the pressure. It's also so easy to replace the brush heads. It just pops right off and back on again, which is great even for travel. It does come with a travel case. I really loved the way that they have the markings on the inside so you know exactly where you can put the main body of it, and you've got room for 2 heads. It looks really great. It will keep it nice and protected so you can take it while traveling. The pressure sensor will protect your teeth and gums from excessive brushing pressure. It will improve your gum health up to 100 times better than a manual toothbrush. If you're like me, once you try this, you will never go back.
But that's just my point of view.